In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the flickering mouse pointer on Windows 11. First, rule out mouse issues by disconnecting and reconnecting it, checking for damage, and testing on another computer. If you're using a touchscreen device, disable touch input to resolve conflicts with mouse input. Right-click on the start icon, select Device Manager. Now expand the Human Interface Devices. Locate the HIID complaint touchscreen entry, right-click on it, and select Disable Device. Click Yes when the confirmation prompt appears. Next, disable Biometric Devices in Device Manager. Expand Biometric Device. Right-click on your device and select Disable Device. Restart the Windows Explorer process by right-clicking the Start menu, selecting Task Manager, finding Windows Explorer, and choosing Restart. Update your mouse drivers by right-clicking the Start menu, selecting Device Manager, expanding the mouse and other pointing devices category. Right-click your device, and for the last step, select Update Driver, and now you're good to go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.